Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 77,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass.